Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt with chia seeds. This simple method transforms plain yogurt into a nutritious and satisfying meal. Chia seeds are amazing. They absorb liquid and create a delightful, pudding-like consistency. It's a fantastic way to boost your fiber and omega-3 intake. Get ready to enjoy a versatile and delicious treat that's perfect any time of day. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and a half cup of your preferred liquid, such as milk or a non-dairy option. For a touch of sweetness, consider adding a tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. These simple components are all you need for a delicious result. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, for all your reading needs, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for enjoying your favorite books anywhere. You can find links to this and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's mix it up. In a jar or bowl, combine your yogurt, chia seeds, and liquid. Stir everything together really well, making sure every chia seed gets coated. This is crucial for proper gelling. Once mixed, cover your container and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or, ideally, overnight. Patience is key for the best texture. The best part about chia seed yogurt is customizing it. Once chilled, it's ready for your personal touch. Stir in fresh fruits like berries or sliced bananas. A dash of cinnamon or vanilla extract can elevate the taste. For extra texture, top with granola, nuts, or shredded coconut. Make it uniquely yours every single time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.